I think the number one question people ask me if they fall behind with the IRS is tax relief legit? In other words, is this really a thing, a legal way, a legitimate way to resolve a tax problem? You see so many ads from tax relief firms or see social media posts, and if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. There are some bad actors in the tax relief industry, to be sure, but there's a lot of solid professionals who know the Internal Revenue Manual, know the code, and can help you to put your tax problem behind you permanently. I'm Jim Flauaus. I'm authorized by the IRS to represent taxpayers in all 50 states, and I've been doing this for many, many years, starting back to 2011. And so I feel like I'm in a position to help you here, but not in a way that's going to scare you, not in a way that's going to discourage you, put fear in your heart, make you do something that's not going to benefit you. I mean, that's really the way of the world, right? Yeah, they say in sales, there's two motives, fear or greed. And in the tax relief business, they really like to stoke the fire of fear. Why? Because it'll get you to sign up to their service, make a big payment of some huge amount of dollars so that they're going to get their professionals to work and fix it. And, if the BS meter starts pinging in your heart, then you probably need to step back. Here's what legitimate tax relief is. Think of it this way. You know this. You file tax returns. There are legitimate deductions and credits and strategies you can use to reduce your taxes. They're built right into the tax code. They're used to encourage certain behaviors on the part of taxpayers that are beneficial to the economy. Example, if you own a home, you can deduct mortgage interest and real estate taxes. It encourages home buying. If you own a business, you can deduct business deductions that people who don't own businesses cannot. Again, that's to encourage people to start businesses. If you purchase an electric vehicle in prior years, you get a $7,000 tax credit. Why? Well, it encourages production of vehicles that are not going to delete or depreciate or deplete the gas storage that we have in our country. But in any event, there's the same approach you can take when it comes to your falling behind with the IRS. I don't care if you haven't filed for 5 or 10 years. I don't care if you owe 15 or 50 or $500,000. There's ways you can legitimately qualify for special treatment, for special credits, if you will. And so that's the way you need to approach this thing. You've maybe heard people make a claim that you can settle on for pennies on the dollar. Those are words actually that the federal government has forbidden now from advertising because it was so abused. But what does it mean? It means you can settle your tax debt for less than you owe. Can you? Yes, if you qualify, just in the same way you might qualify for a mortgage deduction or qualify for a tax credit, you could qualify to settle your debt for less through an offer in compromise or through a partial pay installment agreement. Another tax relief program allows people who are in financial hardship to just have their whole collection case put on hold. Why? Well, because you're in hardship, and the federal law prohibits the IRS from making taxpayers pay a tax debt that would otherwise negatively impact the health and well-being of their family unit. I bet you didn't know that. So there's ways to qualify for beneficial tax relief programs. You just need to deal with a professional who knows those programs and can help you qualify and has your best interest at heart. Let me put it to you this way. It really is possible to put your tax problem behind you. It really is possible to get a fresh start, and there really are legal programs, legitimate ways to get tax relief. Follow me and click the like button if this has been helpful. I would really benefit from your subscribing to this video, subscribing to my Bye Bye Back Taxes channel. And if you'd like a free consultation on your tax problem, we're posting a link below the video. Click that and let's jump on the phone and let's chat. I'm Jim Flauaus. Thank you. We'll see you next time.